morning students, welcome to the math online class. Today we are going to continue with the yesterday's topic, that is chapter 8 money. Hope children you all have seen the slide what I have posted yesterday, in which I have introduced you the explanation of points and notes plus the two units for measuring money, that is rupees and paise. Paise we measure with the alphabet P and rupees we donate with the symbol I have given in the slide, and that symbol we use is this. Now today we are going to step ahead with the explanation of this chapter. In your class you will be learning more on money, what you have learned previously in your class. Rather than that, this time in this class you will be learning little deeper on it. So let's begin children. Before starting, if I ask you to tell me in 1 rupee how many paises are there? And this is the most important relation in money. What is the relation between rupees and paise? Or we should say, in yesterday's homework I have given you page number 53 for doing. There, in that you were having two blanks. There are dash 50 paise coins in 1 rupee and there are dash 25 paise coins in 1 rupee. So 1 rupee has how many paise? First of all, this is the important thing to remember, and this we have already done in class 2nd. We learned this thing from class 1 also. This is in 1 rupee we have 100 paise. That is why we say that there are 250 paise for making 1 rupee. There are 425 paise. There are 425 paise to make 1 rupee. If I talk about 20 paise, then there will be 520 paise coins to make 1 rupee. Why? Because 5 times 20 gives you 100 and 100 paise is equals to 1 rupee. This you have to remember children. Okay. Now on the basis of this rule we are going to learn today how to change rupees into paise and paise into rupees. That is how to change rupees into paise and paise into rupees. If ma'am says you have 12 rupees 20 paise, how you will write 12 rupees 20 paise only in paise? Or if I say you have 756 paise, how you will write 756 paise in rupees plus paise? So that we will be learning today. So let's begin children. If I talk about rupees 15, for learning this rupees 15, first of all you just give me the answer for 1 rupee. In 1 rupee we have how many paise? Yes, in 1 rupee we have 100 paise. Then if we talk about 2 rupees, so if 1 rupee is having 100 paise, 2 rupees have 200 paise, 3 rupees have 300 paise. Similarly, 4 rupees have 400 paise, 5 rupees have 500 paise. So whatever the number of rupees we are talking about, that many number of times we are multiplying with 100. So 5 times 100 is 500, 4 times 100 400, 2 times 100 200. Similarly 15 times 100 gives you 1500 paise. If I talk about rupees 3900 paise, rupees 72, how many paise are there in rupees 72? So how you will be doing it? 72 times 100 is what? 7200. Why children? Because 72 plus 72 plus 72 plus 72 we cannot do it. It's a repeated addition, and when we are doing repeated addition we can write it in the form of number of times, and this I have told you in the time chapter also how to make repeated addition form into a short multiplication form. So this is how you will be changing your rupees into paise. Now if you have two things, that is rupees 34 and 25 paise. Children, first of all, the thing what I have written on the board, let us talk about this number. In this number I have written two parts, 34 and 25. These two parts are separated by each other with a point. Now this point is a dot. The number on the left side of the dot shows rupees and the number on the right hand side of the dot shows you paise. Always paise and rupees are separated by each other with this dot. Left hand side is the rupees, right hand side is your paise, children. When we write rupees and paise together, this is how we write. Okay, and in the money it is not that only rupees is there. We are having the money in both forms, rupees plus paise. And it can also be written together. And how do we write it? We write it by separating it with a dot. Okay. Now, if I say write this in the paise form, what we will be doing is, children, you will be changing rupees 34 into paise. Rupees 34 into paise will be 3400. As we have learned here that in 1 rupees 100 paise is there. So in 34 rupees 3400 paise. Now this has become paise. Correct? Here what you have? Paise 25. Now if I take them together, since these two are of one form only, that is they are together, and when something is together we go on with the number operation plus. So what you will have? Your number will become 3425 paise. That means when you are changing two different forms of rupees and paise, that will be written together when written in the paise form. So again, if I am having rupees 1143 paise, rupees 11 and 43 paise, how you will be changing it? It will become 1100 plus 43 paise, which gives you 11 in 1143. Similarly, you have rupees 6055 paise. How will you be doing it? Rupees 60 becomes 6000 or 6000 plus 55 paise gives you 6055 paise. What I am doing is I am removing the point. If you want to do the short form, children, what can be the short form? Remove the point and write the number all together with paise. This is the method also you have to learn. To convert the rupees and paise into paise, we will simply remove the point. For converting rupees and paise into paise, you remove the point and directly write the answer. This can also be done. This is the short way of remembering it. The long way form of solving it plus the short way of solving it, both the way I am telling you, children, whatever is easier for you, you go on with it. Then if I say convert into rupees, now we have learned how to convert into paise. Convert means change. Okay. Now let us convert the paise into rupees. How to convert paise into rupees? Now when we were converting rupees into paise, children, we were removing the point. Correct? Now when to convert paise into rupees and paise, put a point after counting two numbers from the right of the given number. What it will be? Let's have an example. I am giving you an example, 2569 paise. I have to convert it into rupees and paise. So what you will be doing it? Counting from the right side. This is my right side. Okay. Counting two numbers from the right side. 1, 2. I have counted two digits from the right side. 1 digit, 2 digit, and then put a point. Rest of the number digit same. Write the symbol of rupees here. This is converted now. It is changed. What I have done, it's a very easier method, children. When we are changing paisa into rupees and paise, count 2 digits from the right hand side. After counting 2 digits from the right hand side, put a dot. Digits will be same. You will not change the digit. What you will be doing is, you are going to put the dot. What is that dot? That dot is separating rupees and paise. Again, let us have one more example. Now, if I have 96,568 paise, change it into rupees and paise, or change it into rupees. What we will do? Count from the right hand side. 1 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit, dot. Then rest of the digits same, and then write rupees. I have changed it into rupees. So 965 rupees 68 paise. Again 9,620 paise. 1 digit, 2 digit, dot, rupees. Done. Again 50,239 paise. Count from the right hand side. 1, 2, dot, and rest digit same. It is now in rupees. This is how you will do question number 2. Now let us do question number 3. Let's revise, children, what we have done. We have changed rupees into paise, paise into rupees. When we were changing rupees and paise into paise, we were removing the dot. When we are changing paise into rupees and paise, we are putting the dot. Where we are putting? We are putting from the right hand side. Okay? Hope, children, it will be clear to you. Now, stepping ahead, question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Rupees 10. How many paise? 1 rupee, 100 paise. 2 rupees, 200 paise. 3 rupees, 300 paise. So 10 rupees will give you 10 paise. That is 10 how do we write? We write like this. So 10 rupees has 1000 paise. 802 paise is equals to dash rupees. Now paisa has to go into rupees. So how we do it? Again, we will put the point, that is a dot. Count from here. 1, 2. 2 digit I have counted. 2 digit counted. Then dot will come and the digit. Next, 1,685 paise. Rupees. Count the number of digits from the right hand side. 1, 2. 1 digit, 2 digit, dot, 16. Then you have, if I talk about rupees, rupees 27 and 95 paise. Now what I will be doing? How I will be changing it into paise? You will be removing the dot. Remove the dot and write answer. If you have rupees 5.23 paise, how we read it? Rupees 5 and 23 paise. I have removed the dot and written the answer. This is how you will be doing it. Now I have left two things to 8,000 paise. 8,000 paise, how many rupees? In 1 rupees we have 100 paise. Again you count from the last 2 dot. 1, 2 dot and 80. If you have rupees 79, how many paise you will have? 7,900. Easy. So this is what we have done today. What we have done today, children? We have learned how to change rupees into paise and paise into rupees. So this is how you will be doing it. You can write down the questions of this exercise 8A in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Before that, you will be writing this 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. In 100 paise, we have 250 rupees, 250 paise. In 50 paise, we have, in 1 rupee, we have 425 paise. This you will be writing in your notebook. Okay, children? Do watch this video carefully and do your work in